Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use 4x4 on your Nissan Titan. First, locate the 4x4 selector dial, usually found on your dashboard. Your Titan offers two main 4x4 modes, 4x4 high and 4x4 low, in addition to two-wheel drive. Knowing when to use each mode is crucial for safe and effective off-road driving. We'll cover the specific scenarios for engaging each setting to maximize your truck's capability. To engage 4x4 high, simply turn the selector dial to 4H while driving. This mode is ideal for conditions like snow, ice, gravel, or light mud, providing extra traction without significantly limiting your speed. Remember, you can shift into 4H on the fly, typically at speeds up to 60 miles per hour. However, always avoid using 4H on dry, hard-surfaced roads, as this can cause drivetrain binding and potential damage. For more challenging terrain, like deep mud, steep inclines, or rock crawling, 4x4 low is your best option. To engage 4L, bring your Titan to a complete stop, shift the transmission into neutral, then turn the selector dial to 4L. This mode provides maximum torque and slower speeds, giving you greater control. Always drive slowly in 4L, generally below 15 miles per hour, and never use it on paved roads. Remember to always consult your Nissan Titan's owner's manual for specific instructions and recommendations for your model. Regular practice in a safe, off-road environment will help you become more comfortable and proficient with your 4x4 system. Proper use ensures both your safety and the longevity of your vehicle's drivetrain. Also, if you're looking to improve your financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.